I tried recording this literally 6 times and I always messed up with the audio. Anyways, hey everyone, I hope your day's going okay. Mine is, I guess. But anyways, so basically yesterday, me and my best friend Alexa, we've been trying to do this skit, and I realized I wasn't recording for 15 minutes, and then what do you know? Well, the power runs out right when I try to post it, but I didn't save it because I'm an idiot. But anyways, I also wanted to say, the last time I recorded was a long time, and I didn't get to see the new D-Pack since I've been on MSP for a month now. But anyways, let's see what it is. Oh my god.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't. I am disgusted
and revolted. I dedicate my entire life to our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, and this is the next.
I love it. But anyways, guys, I know this video is short, but I hope your day is going great. And I realized that the first I'm disgusted saying you saw something on the bottom, it was an ad or something like that. But it doesn't matter, and I'll see you guys later.